Quick review of these Sena Tufftalk Lite headsets. I've had these for about 6 months. We've had a decent amount of use out of them, and I'm just going to give you my review. They do work pretty well. I just find that they're safer to use on a job site. Sometimes I have my son helping me with a project around the house, or on the job site with one of my guys. We're running equipment, and it's just nice to have a spotter right in your ear. They automatically connect to my phone when I turn it on. It's an open mic, so I don't have to keep pushing a button in order to talk back and forth to the other person. The downside of that is an open mic and you have to hear somebody all day. The one thing you can do with that is just kind of pull your mic away from you. There is a way you can hold down one of these buttons and end that, but then you're not going to hear when the other person's speaking to you. It's also got an FM radio on there, which is kind of nice if you're running equipment all day long. The quality is pretty good. I can be standing right next to this skid steer running and have a normal conversation at a normal decibel level with somebody else. The range, it seems to be if we push out somewhere close to 100 yards, we start to lose the quality, especially if we get something in between. Downside for me is I don't know what all the buttons do because I only use these things maybe once every couple weeks. So I have to open the manual up and look. But the general function is pretty easy to turn them on. You hold down the front two buttons. It says hello in your ear that it's on. And then when you go to pair with another unit, you hold this down for, I believe, 5 seconds. It'll beep. Intercom pairing, I believe it says. You go to your other set and you hold that button down. Wearing these all day, especially if it's warm out, you do get real sweaty around here. So we tend to wipe these off with some Lysol wipes. I don't know if that's going to ruin this over time, but it's what I like to do. That's it.